is up, chat? Oh, wrong thing. Oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, without you. Winnie, close that door right there. Whoa, without you, it's gonna be a year on my own and even harder to let you go. Yo, what is up, chat? Chat! Go. Oh, can't make a wife out of a hoe. I never find the words to say I'm sorry, but I'm scared to be alone. My back. Hurts for me to think about what life could possibly. Alright, let me know if you guys can hear me. Just making sure. I think it should be fine, though. It should be fine, though, chat. Yes, sir. We're back testing, chat. Let's run it. Cake soup. Yo, what's up? What's up? I used to rule the world. Yup, let's run this shit. This shit's easy, bro. No bap. No cap. Let's run it. Alright, you guys ready? Let's get started. Alright, basically easy dubs. Yes, okay, let's run it. Alright. So going into today here, it looks like we tapped a 4-hour PD ray, swept out London high and London low, but we're in this 4-hour PD ray that we have to our left side. So therefore, I'm looking for potential shorts, potential short opportunities. So I'm looking for shorts to come down, and I'm looking for these as my draws on liquidity. So therefore, we're looking for lower prices here, chat. Now let's run this shit. 10 a.m. power 3. I want to see opening. We sweep out this high. And then let's wait. No SMT just yet. This short doesn't look bad at all. I'm debating on taking this short, but I don't like it right now, so I'm just gonna wait. So we have SMT at these highs right now. We have SMT at those highs right now, and we've already manipulated. So I'm anticipating this to be your change of state of delivery after sweeping out this level of buy side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place my short position here. And plus, we had already inverse this bullish flag up here, and then just look to target lower prices. Or what I can do is just target standard deviation here. All right, let's go ahead and run this. Why is it not working? Oh, there we go. All right. Is this gonna hit or what, chat? Oh, wrong thing. All right, let's run the shit. I can. So we're coming down lower prices, right? I want to see this as my draw on liquidity right here. I want to see this price. I want to see this come down to this leg right here. There we go. We come down to this level of liquidity. So that's good. I'm going to go ahead and move my subs to break even here. And then I'm looking to take a partial at -1 and then look to take all of my contracts off at this level of sell side here. See if we can get -1 here. So we tap -1 standard deviation. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a partial here. Boom. Let's see. Okay, so we get stopped out of break even. Said, let's see what happens here. So we do end up coming down and taking out this level of sell side. We ended up just retracing back higher and then going lower. So took partials when I can. Good trade overall. Pretty happy with this trade. I'm gonna journal this trade as always. Right here. Oh wait. Are you actually unprofitable? I am close to being profitable, honestly. How do you put yes as well in FX replay? So you go in the top right corner here. There's a button up here. You just change that to the second one. Are you actually unprofitable? I am a profitable. I'm working on it though. I gotta document this trade here. Right here, like so, we're continuing from what happened yesterday. Just trying to get better. I was bearish biased because we swept out London high and low, but we were also in a bearish fair value gap. Bearish for our fair value gap, so I anticipated. So I was expecting shorts. 10 a.m. opened up. Sweep of liquidity. SMT. Inverse fair value gap. Enter. And then what is it? Played out nicely. Take P at -1 and was looking for my deal. We ended up stopping me out at break even, but then at end of day we tap the objective. Oh yes, I did. This is a new camera. This is the new camera that I'm using. It's kind of, dude, I don't know how to fix this, bro, but like there's like a slight delay, I said that 3 times. A slight delay. No, I just use SMT to like confirmation for reversals. All right, so going to the day here, I am looking for potential. I'm looking for potential longs. But in order for me to look for longs, I want to see price come down and tap a higher type of PD array, which we are in right now. So I could anticipate a New York reversal here. We're in a higher type of PD array here. We're in a 4-hour PD array. I'm anticipating this to be fake low of day. But at the same time, Asia actually tapped a 4-hour PD array here. So we could see lower prices until like this daily fair value gap here. I want to see if we have any SMT at the highs. So right here, I'm just gonna look at this. I am live on YouTube right now. I'm not gonna trade this. I see right now, because I usually only look at London, right? But as you can tell, Asia actually tapped a 4-hour PD array here. Barely tapped the 4-hour PD array. Yeah, I tapped a 4-hour PD array. So now I want to see if either price dumps or pumps here. So I'm not taking this. I'm just like tape reading this. I wanna be next to you. Okay, it looks like it went bullish. So just look at London, kid. Just look at London. And our time on earth. Yeah, just look at London, kid. All right, that was just like a little tape read right there. Just for a while, and done with a smile. How much is FX replay? I am trading ICT. FX replay is free because I did this trick. I did a trick. Um, it's right here. How to get FX replay for free? Right here. It should be the second video right here. What's up, Ryan? More, 'cause you already know what you mean to me. All right, right here. London did not tap anything higher time frame wise, so I'm anticipating this to be fake low of day. And now I need to ask myself, can we dump from this area? We're in a daily PD array. We're in a daily PD array. We're in a 4-hour fair value gap, technically, or daily fair value gap. And we technically have supply here. So I'm looking for shorts. So let's go and play that out. I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next. Oh, let me fix that. Oh, I had that on like almost full blast. My fault. My fault. I had that almost on full blast. All right, let's run this. I'm not looking for anything right now. There's no clear entry for me. All right, here, let's go give this a try. I want to see price sweep up sell side or buy side here. So we don't do anything. We just chop at 10:30 p.m. So right here, I would have been interested in shorts, but there was no SMT that I liked, so therefore I did not take it. So that's the problem. There's no SMT, so I didn't take it next day. Bias was correct though. And die with a smile if the world was ending. Hold on, I gotta get. Don't worry, chat. This is Coke Zero. Want a tip? What's the tip? Dude, this morning I got hacked. I got hacked this morning on my Discord, bro. I got hacked on my Discord this morning. I don't know how the fuck I got hacked. I didn't do anything. I literally didn't do anything. I don't know how I got hacked. Back to the top G music. Alright, bet. Right next to. Because you're racist? That's why. You're right. I hate Asians. Oh, wait. I can't say that. Oh, on my TikTok's gonna get fucking. I love Asians. 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 I'm Asian myself. I'm gonna get banned here in a little bit. All right, here. I'm looking for potential shorts. We're capping this daily fair value gap here. I'm looking for shorts here, and let's run the shit. Anticipating these to be my draws on liquidity. I love Asians. I love Asians. I love Asians. I love Asians. I want to see a buy side swept. Okay, so we sweep out buy side here. This is a tiny little buy side here. I want to see like inversions here. I want to see price inverse this gap here in this gap here. Okay, that's beautiful. But we don't have any SMT, bro. We don't have any SMT, so I don't want to take it. I would wait here. I would wait here, bro. There's no SMT. Right here, we wait. I want to see buy side get swept again. We come up, we sweep out buy side. I'm still short bias. We're in a 1050 macro here also. Yeah, so I would have been done trading for the day here. I would have traded after this. I would have been done trading for the day here. My bias is correct, though. My bias is correct. That's good, though. My bias is correct. Now, I'm back to ICT concepts. My bias is correct. No SMT. So therefore, I didn't take it. Like I said, I need to see SMT. Maybe like after the long run, I might switch it to where there's no SMT involved. But right now, I want to see SMT involved here. Wait. Yeah, I want to see SMT involved here. SMT is so key for me, bro. I need to have it. Drama dropped on my persona. She hit the highway 115 with my whole foot on the dash. Do you have a written strategy? I do. It's in this notion here. All right, right here. I'm looking for potential. I'm looking for longs. Nothing but pain. Or I'm looking for longs until this high up here. I want to see this level buy side here. That's my draw on liquidity right now. So once we tap this draw on liquidity here that I have marked out, I want to see if price does anything significant here. I want to look for shorts now because we'll be in this daily PD array. Alright, we have SMT these highs. We just inverse this gap here also. I'll take a small stab short here. And then like look to target like what is it? Like just yeah. I'll give shorts here a try. Because right now we'll be in this daily PD array still. And we swept out previous daily highs also. And this we swept out London low and London high, but this is no significant. There's no reason why we should pump from here. So therefore we take it. Oh, let's see what happens here. So if you pump up even more. All right. I don't use order blocks. All you need is like one or two key PD arrays and you'll be fine, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna go why I lost this, obviously, yeah. Oh, there we go. I was initially bullish going into the day after the high got swept. Before the high got swept. Because London was London low and high was swept. And we were still inside of a daily bearish fair value gap. SMT at the high, inversion, and then enter, got stopped out. Price ended up pumping. Tough day. All right, let's go next day. I don't need no shift in structure, bro. Inversion fair value gap SMT. I still think about you. So right here, I'm anticipating longs, and the reason why that is because we don't tap a higher time frame PD array. We don't tap a higher time frame PD array to the downside. This move is fake, and I'm anticipating longs. We're also in this 4-hour PD array. If we tap it, we're probably gonna come down, tap this 4-hour PD array, and then look to go higher prices. So I'm pretty much bullish on the day. So we tap in the 4-hour PD right now. I like this. I likes this, chat. Now we wait for SMT. SMT inversion fair value gap. So right here, I don't like it. We have SMT at the lows right now, but there's no inversion fair value gaps right now for me. So I'm still waiting. No SMT at the low, so I'm not going to take this long here. Fuck. Alright, there's no SMT at the lows, so I'm not taking this long. Think about you. Girl, I still think about you. Alright, we have SMT at the lows. I want to see price inversus gap here. Alright, I'm taking this long. And plus, we'll be in a 1050 macro also. We'll be in a 1050 macro. Alright, let's give this a shot. We're in this 4-hour PD array. Etc. Oh my! Hold up. I would have been done trade for the day. Oh my goodness. This day was just dump. This day was just fucking dump. Bro. Damn. 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 The reason why I went, I'll tell you guys why I went longs. This is the entry. Girl, I still think about you. Alright, the reason why I went longs, I was bullish bias because London didn't tap anything higher time frame wise that I liked. No fair value gap. Value gap. We were coming down to the 4-hour bullish fair value gap. So I went longs there. Price had tapped the 4-hour PDA. SMT at the lows. Inverse. Enter. Got stopped out. Like, this is not a key high that I like. Like we didn't tap anything higher time frame wise. Yeah, we stopped at the high, but there's no higher time frame key. But if you look at ES, if you want to look at ES, I mean, technically we swapped out this 4-hour. We tapped the 4-hour PD array here. Technically, we tapped the 4-hour PD array, and we dumped from there. So I'm not even gonna consider. I don't even give a fuck. But like, NQ didn't tap anything higher time frame wise, so I was still bullish. ES technically tapped a 4-hour PD array, but wasn't looking at it. Yeah, we swept at London highs. That's the thing. We swept at London high. We didn't even sweep at London highs. So I was still anticipating this to be fake hive day. But like I said, I'm following my plan exactly how it is. I'm not. I'm like shit's gonna happen. Fuck. All right, right here. All right, London. Did London manipulate to anything higher time frame wise? Yes. We sweep out this low. London did, and we tapped the 4-hour PD array. So I'm bullish right now. And for me to be bearish, we need to tap a daily fair value gap. So I'm bullish. I'm bullish right here. I'm looking for draws and liquidity, and I'm looking for price to come up and tap like this high potentially, and then just these highs on the 15-minute here. I'm looking for bullish price action. I want to see price sweep of liquidity. So we sweep out liquidity here, but we don't inversion fair value, so I'm not gonna take it. Go beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my heart would be wasting. They got nothing on you, baby. Oh, fuck. I was going to enter off this inversion here, but we just placed way too heavy. Yeah, so my bias was correct. You shouldn't worry about what they say, because they got nothing on you, baby. Got nothing on you, baby. Another one. Another one. Hold up. I'm about to cook. Okay, we have SMT at the lows here. We sweep out liquidity. SMT. We inverse this gap. I'll give longs one more shot here. And what I'm going to do is standard deviation. Damn. 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 Okay, so, oh my goodness. My bias was initially correct. There's just no entry here that I liked because we still have this whole leg here. We still have this whole leg here. And I didn't want to enter up here and have my stops down here and target these highs, but no. I entered here, S&P to the lows, same thing. We price came back down. I was still bullish bias. Retracing, sweeping out all these relative equal lows. SMT, inversion, stopped out. And then we came down, stopped out London low. And then we just displaced higher. So, I got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. My bias was bullish. It was initially correct. I was looking for London, came down, swept out 4-hour low, and tapped 4-hour FEG. And then what else? What's next? And then I entered there because I also missed my initial entry. And then what else? SMT with inversion, and then I enter, got stopped out. Bias was correct. We ended up coming back down, sweeping out London low, and then pumping. her, she won't believe me. It's so, but she don't see what I see. Every time she asks me to, I look okay. I say, when I see your face, it's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. We swept out London low. Hold on, I remember one of these trades. I swear I do. Like we swept out London low, then we just pumped. So I'm anticipating higher prices here, though. Well, her lips, I can kiss them all day if she let me. Her laugh, so sexy, she's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, just say the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. When I see your face, the thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing. When you smile, the whole world stops and stands for a while. I'll take a small stab here, and then let's target lower prices. Wow. Okay. Alright. The reason why I entered, we were also in this 4-hour PD array. But I said I was bullish, but since these fair value gaps weren't tapped yet, I was looking for shorts at this higher time for PD array. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Can I use this? Oh, what is it? Wait. Can you record my voice and type it? All right, okay. I've seen this before. We tapped a 4-hour PD array, but before we swept out London low and then just pumped. I was anticipating shorts because we were coming up to a unmitigated 4-hour fair value gap, FEG. SMT at the highs, inverse, enter, got stopped, and continued higher on the day. Come on, Q. This shit's 30. This shit's easy. Alright, let's run this shit, bro. Come on. I got this, bro. Bias is super easy, bro. Come on. Just go here. Look. We swept a London low. And we tapped a 4-hour fair value gap when we did that. So I'm anticipating higher prices. And I want to see price go higher. These are my draws on liquidity on this left side here. My draws. Content encouragement of this fair value gap. So I'm looking for higher prices here. Now, I'm waiting for a sweep of liquidity. Sweep of sell side would be nice. Come on, can we get a sweep of fucking sell side, bro? There we go. Finally, shit. Sweep of sell side. Still bullish bias here. It looks like we're coming down. We're sweeping out all these relative equal lows down here. And I want to see if we have any SMT at the lows. We have SMT at the lows here. Now, for me to even enter this trade, I want to see price inverse this gap, these gaps here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my entry here. Wow, that's crazy stop loss. Not gonna lie. I am be away. I'm yours. I'm yours. Where's 0.79 OTE level here? I'll go ahead and like break even at OTE level here. All right, so I'm gonna go move myself to break even. Partial at this high here. Partial at high day. Okay, so I'm gonna go partial here. And the last target is the original drawn liquidity. Okay, so yeah, market would have been closed by now, so I'll just going to exit here. My stops are very wide here, though. That's the thing. They're very wide. Like, I wasn't barely any drawdown, too. And I hate having my stops like a candle closure below the fair value gap, etc. Maybe I probably would have just gone like micros with this risk management here. Hold on, let me mark this out. Let me screenshot this. I'm yours. I definitely would have gone like break even. I definitely would have gone what is it? Micros. There's so much fear, and in the winter snow, and rainy under the mistletoe. What the fuck? On a holiday. Alright, let me get rid of this. Winter snow, under the mistletoe, with you, shawty, with you. I was bullish bias into the day. That big dump didn't scare me as much. London low got swept, and we had tapped a 4-hour PDA. So therefore I was bullish. Price came down, sweep, SMT at the lows, and IVG. Enter. Stops were a bit wide, but was barely in any drawdown. Break even at OTE level and TP at high day. Lips is the most beautiful time of the year. Into the snow. Yo, cool. I think I should spend more. I think you should spend more time analyzing The thing is, like, all I trade is a 10 a.m. power 3, and what I'm initially doing is I'm looking for bias, and I'm just going to 10 a.m. power 3. A 6-year-old drone is better than this guy, probably. Probably. Yes, I am reading the comments. I'm just so focused on this. Under the mistletoe. So right here, we sweep out London low, and then we just pump, right? We get to change the state dealer to the upside. And for me to go short, I want to see, this is my drawn liquidity right here. This is my drawn liquidity. And yeah. I want to see sell side swept here. So we come down, we sweep out sell side here. And then I'm looking for potential longs. I'm waiting. Nothing for me yet. Because I didn't enter around this level because there's no SMT. So right here, I want to see sell side get swept again for this 1030 power 3. So we come down, we sweep out this level of sell side here. We have SMT at these lows here, but I want to see, like, hold up. Shawty with you under the mistletoe. All right, I want to see price inversus gap here. All right, inversus gap. I'm gonna go ahead and take the long position here, and let's go ahead and run it. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Hold up. No way. That's crazy. I think this trade was good though. I'm not even mad about this trade. I think this trade was good. I just yeah. I technically, the thing is, if the 1030 power of 3, like the 1030, since I bought below 10 a.m. opening, right? Since there's no entry here for me, I'll usually just do the 1030 power of 3. It's still in the same time frame, same time zone. So that's why so technically, if you were doing the 1030 power 3, because each 30-minute there's a power 3, right? So we open here, we manipulate lower prices, etc. Was bullish bias going into the day because there was going to be no reason for us to dump until the high was taken that I had marked out. $10 a.m. opened up, had a good. Oh, hold up. 10 a.m. had a good entry, but no SMT, so I didn't take it. 1030 PO3 went lower. SMT at the lows. IPG got stopped out. We ended up going lower on the day. Oh, come on. If you really don't make me fall in love again. If you won't be here next year, Santa, tell me if. See, look, we ended up coming out taking out the high though. That's the thing. So, if you, I'm looking for potential shorts. I'm looking for shorts. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me. Yeah, don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. All right, SMT these highs. Sweep. I'm not gonna enter just yet. We come up higher a little bit more. If we can end versus gap here, I'll take the shorts. All right, so I would have entered here. Give you my heart, but the very next day you gave me away. This year, special. Well, I want to see. Wait, no, it would be this leg here. Wait, no, it wouldn't. It would be this leg here. I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, tears. All right, I'm gonna take a partial here. Special. Last Christmas you gave me my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, sending your tears. One special. Yeah, so market would have been closed by now. Yeah, market would have been closed by now. Realistically, I wanted my entry. It was a W, but I would have wanted my entry like right here. As soon as we close below this fair value gap here, that would be my entry. This year, one special. Yeah, I did get hacked this morning. These were bro. These were hourly lows, bro. These are hourly lows. That's December. Was bearish bias going into the day. Price swept out London high and tapped a daily fair value gap. 10 a.m. opened up, swept out buy side, and then displaced lower. 2-minute inversion. For value gap. S&P at the highs. Targets were lower, were hourly lows. Took partials, and then got stopped out of break even. I'll be right back. I gotta go fucking piss. All right, I'll give you guys the look of the next day here. All right, you guys can let me know what your guys' bias is. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. How am I journaling incorrectly? Well, I see why you guys would say I'm journaling correctly. I'm just collecting data. I'm just collecting data. I'm following the plan correctly. I'm doing everything correctly. I'm just chilling. What up? um. All right, so the shit. All right, I'm looking for potential longs because I'm looking for potential shorts until I'm looking. Wait, no. I'm looking for longs until this high. So this is like my drawn liquidity because we have no reason to go lower prices here. So I'm looking for longs until this high. So that's my drawn liquidity on the day. Oh wait, there's news on this day. Wait, this is a holiday. This is a holiday. I'm not gonna take this. So right here, that was a holiday. I'm not taking that. So right here, go back to this hourly. What did London do? London went and tapped a daily fair value gap here. Swept out this low on the daily time chart. We have a fair value gap here we have the fair value gap or the bullish side. So now I'm initially looking for longs. So yeah, let's run this. Let's run this. I want to see sell side get swept. We sweep out minor sell side here. Now, what am I looking for? We don't get that inversion fair value gap, but if we come up and get a change of state delivery here, I'll enter my longs. So we come do that, right? We have SMT at the lows. We have SMT at these lows here. I'll go ahead and take this long. We get a change of state of delivery here. I'll go ahead and move myself to break even after -1. Can we tap -1? That'd be nice. All right, we just inverse this gap here also. So we tap -1, move myself to break even, and I'm looking to target these. I'm looking to target Hive Day. So Hive Day was tapped. I'm going to take a partial. And then I'll probably just let my last contract run to Asia High. All right, so Asia High was taken out. All right, that's the trade. Document this. All right. I was bullish bias because London came down and tapped the 4-hour or the daily PD array, daily fair value gap. So I was expecting longs. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. opened up, came lower. Oh, came lower, and then we swept out we swept out sell side. Once we did that, we created SMT, but no inversion. So I entered off of the CISD with SMT. Went break even after -1 was tapped, then partialed at high day, then took my last contracts off at Asia high. $43. Your hair grows so fast. All right, let's run this. Right here, pretty much. I'm anticipating shorts as of right now. We have no reason to go higher or lower. Wait, actually, hold up. Let me think about this real quick. All right. So we end up having ES here. ES here is all the way to this daily fair value gap in this 4-hour PD right here, right? ES looks like this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take ES's play, but do it on NQ. So I'm looking for initial longs. I know we have SMT at these lows. To know that if I can be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. Alright, so we come down, we sweep out lows here. Let's see if Ink comes to this daily fair value gap. So we have a daily fair value gap here. Let's see. And we have a daily fair value gap here also. And then I want to see if we could create any SMT at the lows. No SMT at the lows just yet. Okay, we have SMT at the lows here. I would wait here. I'll probably wait for like a 2-minute change of state of delivery here. So we're about to get changed. I'm going to go ahead and enter my longs here. And then what I'm going to do is obviously I'm going to target higher prices. Because London high should be fake high of day. So that's like my initial around that target area. And then what I'm going to do is, let's say I am wrong. I'm going to draw my fib out after the latest liquidity sweep. Move my stops to break even after consequent encroachment. Or after a 50% mark or equilibrium of this range, of this bearish range. Well, all of that just to hit swing low. That's fucking crazy. Alright, let's keep running. Let's keep playing this. Alright. We come back down. We sweep at this low. We get this. We don't have any SMT, so I'm not gonna take it. SMT at the lows. Alright, I want to see this. I want to see this fair value get inversed. So we don't do that. So I would have been done trading for the day. Let's see what happens throughout the day, though. So right here, we were just very bearish here, and I was just bullish buys. So and that's something I need to figure out. Why were we bullish? Why were we bearish? Just the way you did. Let me try on this trade real quick. dress you wearing tonight. Told them to be so tight the way I did before. I was bullish bias because of ES coming down to the daily P array. Price 10 a.m. opened lower, and then go. I'm doing something right now. 10 a.m. opened lower, and then swept out liquidity. SMT 2 minute CISD got stopped out. We ended up going lower prices here. Let's see. Bias was just completely wrong. We didn't manipulate anything higher time frame wise for London. During New York, we came down and tapped higher time frame fair value gaps. I think I did everything, followed the plan, did everything correctly as I can see. Bias was just incorrect. Our next day. We don't talk anymore. Alright. Alright, right here. I'm still looking for longs. Because London doesn't manipulate anything higher time frame wise. Neither does Asia. And we're in this higher time frame PD array. So I'm initially looking for longs at 10 a.m. I'm looking for a sell side to get swept. This is not a valid SMT. That's the thing. I was gonna go and take it because it matches the plan. Like I know this is not the best and cleanest SMT, but it's gonna take it. And then go straw standard deviation. Because I've seen this so many times too. Like we'll have like not clean SMT at the lows here, and we'll end up just ripping. Yeah, look at that. We just end up ripping here. Move myself to break even after this high. Wait, this high was taken. Yeah, this high was taken. Move myself to break even, and then look to target -1 standard deviation. Probably gonna get stopped out of break even here. So you get stopped out of break even. So we end up ripping. That's the thing. Like I said, this is not the cleanest SMT, but I've seen this so many times to the point where like I know like if we do this and we inverse a PD array, we're probably gonna pump up here. So the move would have been done for the day, honestly. I probably would have just done trading. Did everything correctly here. Bullish bias going into the day because we swept out London low with and then tapped high time for PDA. London high was fake high day, so going towards that was my DOL. 10 a.m. opened up. Sweep sell side. SMT at the low. Inversion. Enter. Moved my stops to break even after high hanging fruit was taken. Came back down and then pumped. Tough trade. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Alright, I'm gonna do one more and then just call it. I have to go do something. Just do one more. You ever dreamed of? Just going to this today's trade. We sweep out London low, but we don't manipulate anything higher time. We don't manipulate anything lower time frame wise. But we are coming up to this 4-hour gap here. New York is. So I'm initially looking for shorts here. Me and you. Technically SMT at these highs. Most recent SMT high. This whole leg, I want to see get inversed here. Yeah, see, I didn't take that. Good thing I didn't take it. Alright. We have SMT at these highs too. We just inverse majority of these gaps. Getting that change of state of delivery. I'll go ahead and give shorts here a try. And then look to target lower prices here. I want to see this low get swept. Alright, so I'm going to move myself to break even. And then partial at like these lows. But I would take one off here. And let's target these last lows. Yeah. Yeah, so we ended up going lower regardless. It's a good trade overall. I think I took partials around this area here. Good trade overall. This is my last trade. I have to go do something. Alright. Said I've been journaling it. It's definitely, if just sticking to the same game plan over and over and over has definitely helped me a lot. Was bearish bias going into the day because we swept out the high. Oh, because we were tapping into a 4-hour PD array, and plus the move that made us go higher didn't come from a higher time frame fair value gap. So I was shorts. And then what's next? SMT at the highs. CISD on the 2-minute. Enter. took partial at the low, and it stops to break even. We ended up getting stopped out at break even, and then completely dumped lower prices after. All right, hold up. Tell me what's wrong. Oh. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here. Like I said, you guys might not think this is real backtesting, whatever, real journal. I don't give a fuck. This is how I'm gonna journal it. Other than that, I'm gonna call it a day. I do have a written out plan every day. I'm coming in here. Let me see. It's the written plan. But yeah, other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.